For too long, South African governance has been a top-down pyramid. Decisions flow downwards from international interference, through party politics, through municipal layers, while the community sits at the very bottom. When issues arise, unreliable services, failing infrastructure, unanswered questions, the local experience is lost in a maze of overlapping roles and political blame shifting. Local problems, no answers.
South Africa, a nation of extraordinary promise. The current crisis is real. The solution is ready. Let us, the communities, implement it from the bottom up.
The 2020 Constitutional Court case that changed everything. The ruling reshaped South Africa's democratic landscape. Every citizen has the right to stand for election and to hold the highest office in the land.
No citizen should ever be forced to join a political party in South Africa. Every person has the right to stand and hold public office if elected. Your right to stand.
In 2020, the Constitutional Court made a ruling that changed everything. Every citizen has the right to stand for election and to hold the highest office in the land. No citizen should ever be forced to join a political party to serve their community. That ruling gave birth to the Electoral Amendment Act, Act 1 of 2023. And with it, the old party political model was turned upside down. This is where the IRASA model comes in. IRASA, the Independent Ratepayers Association of South Africa. It flips the pyramid. It starts with you, the community, at the top. Residents identify the reality on the ground. Civic organizations structure the engagement. And IRASA provides the lawful, apolitical link to the IEC, ensuring that community needs always come first, free from party political interference. 6 connected levels, every role with a purpose, one shared outcome, a well-run community.
IRASA, Independent Ratepayers Association of South Africa, putting people before politics. IRASA guarantees that councillors and parliamentarians will remain free from party politics.
Local problems, no answers. The IRASA model flips the pyramid. Community first, accountability next. Want the full idea? Watch now.
Accountability must lead to service delivery. In the IRASA model, independent watchdogs track issues to resolution. Municipalities are held strictly to their administrative duties, and political representatives focus on democratic coordination, not party conflict. From disconnected complaints to verified, organized civic input, from blame between spheres to clear responsibilities and feedback loops, from party-centered conflict to community-centered problem-solving. It is time for a community-first path to accountable local governance. Explore the IRASA model, ask the hard questions, and join the movement to put people before politics. South Africa's future starts from the bottom up.